my name is Sam. I'm an account manager here at Conde, and with this series, I would like to help you find products for sublimation that have high demand and low competition on Etsy. I use a software called eRank. This is what it looks like. Today, I'd like to show you a makeup brush holder that can be used in a couple different ways, but I searched the word makeup brush holder. You can see here it has a good amount of average searches with low competition. Also, if you see the trend here, it's up and down, up and down, up and down. So looks like that has some good potential. Scrolling down, I want to use this to potentially see if there are any other keywords or tags that I want to write down, research, and see if my product fits. So I don't see any other green golden tags here that have good search volume and low competition. So I'll analyze this first. Again, it has the keyword statistics, high search volume, good click-through rate, and low competition. The average price here looks like is $20. That's good. It has good search volume. My favorite part is the word cloud. We're going to use this word cloud to see if there are other items or words that we could potentially sell or use. So I see pencil holder. Could my cup be a pencil holder? Yes. I see pen holder. I definitely want to use it for that as well. Makeup organizer, makeup brush holder, and let's scroll down and see if we can get some more information. Makeup brush holder, high searches, low competition. Brush holder, same thing. Makeup organizer. Yes, my particular product is just a cup, so I don't know how well it would organize, but maybe I could do 3 cups, and this one is for brushes, this one are for lipsticks, this one is for liners. That could be an organization system. Pen holder, high searches, starting to get a little bit competitive. I would still use this with some other keywords. Pencil holder, the same. Toothbrush holder, yes, I could definitely make this into a toothbrush holder, put family names, maybe a specific name, a cute saying. I scroll down to the bottom to see what is the top seller for makeup brush holders. So it looks like here, number 1 is a skull. That is not similar to my item. So I'm going to come down and look for one that is similar to something that I'm going to offer. So this one here would be similar. Its listing age is 2,300 days. It has 17,000 views, and it's $17.95. So I'm going to click here to open up this listing to review it a little further. So it has great visibility score, a lot of views, has been listed for quite a while. Their title is Makeup Brush Holder, Makeup Brush Cup, and let's look at their tag. So we see here, Hello Gorgeous is low search volume, but it looks like it's gaining some popularity, low competition, but the next one's Glitter Makeup Cup, very competitive. Makeup Junkie, no searches at all. Makeup Box, it's not a box, but Teen Xmas Gift, Makeup Brush Jar, Makeup Artistic Tool, Girl Secret Santa, Vanity Accessory, Makeup Addict Gift. So we're going to come down to the one that is getting them the volume. Makeup brush holder. This is the key term that they're using to bring them traffic. Keep going, look at their description. The description here again, the makeup brush holder is in the description key tag to search back for Conde or search back to Etsy. Okay, and it looks like they have a few pictures here, only 4, and then free shipping. So they could use, maybe just the logo or show a more clear design of what this is on the mug. I think they could do better with pictures. I know I definitely can do better with pictures. Once I have went through the list and I have made a list of all of the potential terms that I would like to use, I go back and search each term individually, looking for the terms that have the highest search volumes and the lowest competition. After I get done with that, I will then go and search these items on Etsy itself. I want to be able to see what else is selling. So we're here on the first page. This top bar are people that are paying for ads. So we scroll down. My item is not similar to this, but here, this makeup brush holder that is personalized, definitely mine is comparative to this. So we see here $17.49, $15.98, $29. Here's one just with the letter, $14. So yes, here's one, has a nice video. They're also a store seller. So I make notes, may click on a few listings to see what their description is, maybe read some reviews. So I think that makeup brush holder is a great keyword to use. I do have these. Our part number is PH11. The low cost is $235. Smaller quantities are up to $280. Again, my name is Sam. I'm an account manager here at Conde Systems. My extension is 211. My email is sbame@conde.com. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.